I'm Gary of Tom and Gary's Decentralized Dance Party. Here today to teach you how to attach a boombox to a bicycle and not have it fall off. First thing you need is a bicycle. I've got one right here. Second thing you need, a rack. You gotta make sure these bolts and these bolts and these are as tight as possible, because once the boombox is on there, start vibrating and it will soon fall off. So once you got your rack, the next thing you need is a sweet boombox. You also need one that has iPod inputs, well, CD player inputs that can now be connected to an iPod or another leading MP3 player. All you need is 2 bungee cords. You're gonna do a crisscross pattern. So there it is. Loop it through a few times, all the way to the front. On the back is your second cord. Sorry, I'm really nervous. So you got a cord hanging off each side. Then place the boombox on. You can either do it forwards if you want all the music to yourself, or backwards to share it with everyone else. This one has a bunch of buttons on the front that might get smashed by that, so we're gonna err on the side of caution. So ideally you want to have the handle up as an extra safety. Feed it from this corner over to the opposite corner on the back. Get her nice and tight. Tighten it again. Loop it through. One is done. Second one, same thing. Shit, I've done this wrong. Okay, here's a quick remedy. So I'm gonna loop it down through the front. If I'd done it right, it would be leading up from this side. Back over again. You got your crisscross. So now it's on there. It'll move around like that, but that's totally cool. No matter what you do, as long as the bungee cords don't snap, you should be fine. And even if one snaps, the other one will hang it on. The other thing I didn't mention is this has detachable speakers, so we went around the front and the back with some duct tape. Make sure the speakers don't fall off. Yeah, now you're good to go. Then you reach into your fanny pack. Pull out your RCA to 1/8 inch cable. You can get these at dollar stores for $1. Red, white. Make sure it doesn't get yanked out. Loop it around the seat post a couple times, maybe even thrice. And you're gonna want to have one of these pads. Sneak the cord through there, up to the front. Now this step is very important. Need one blue slipper, some duct tape. I'll fasten it on like so. Whoops, not like that. Forget you ever saw that. So now you've got your holster. Reach back in your fanny pack. If you're really cool, you would call these a hip bag, but we're not really cool, or I'm not. So this is 60 gig model. What do you want to hear? Scooter. Not Scatman?
No.
It's not even.
What about Slayer?
Yeah, Slayer would work. Spice Girls, Splack Pack. If I want some Splack Pack. good to go. If you don't have a rack, there's another trick I'll show you right now. All you need is backpack. You put your boombox in normally, it's gonna bust the zippers open and start falling out. So all you gotta do, take a smaller bungee cord, go through the back, loop it around, good to go. That's pretty much it. Have fun out there. If you derive benefit from this video, you can donate to the DDP using the decentralized currency known as Bitcoin, or guess what? Dogecoin. Thank you.